Okay, so on this one, it says write and label the value of each part of the given parabola. Okay, so this one is an x-intercept, right? So we're just going to practice our words again. 1, comma 0. X-intercept at 1, comma 0. This is the axis. This box is pointing to that line. Did you see that? I don't know.
Wait, wouldn't it be -1?
Oh, yeah. Actually,
No?
it would be -3. I don't know why I wrote the same thing again. Good catch, Mandy. Because here's the y-axis, so it'd be -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh. Summers can count, right? Okay, this is our axis of symmetry, which is at what? X equals -2. Okay, what's this one? What's this one? Nope. Y-intercept. Which is what? -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, -5. Am I going too fast?
No, I just don't know how to write numbers.
Okay. I don't either, apparently. Vertex is at -2, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That was 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think -9. And I don't know why there's a box next to minimum. I don't know. Okay? But the minimum is the vertex. So box probably should have said max or min, and then you rewrite min in the box, but that's fine. Okay? Okay, let's just stop here for a second. Anyone have any questions so far? Before the equation, we don't need the equation yet. We're going to start learning how to relate the equations to the graphs on Thursday. Okay? Any other questions? Okay. So, where is the parabola increasing on this one? Is it left or right of the vertex? Right. Where is the parabola decreasing? That means it's going to be left of vertex. All right. Here's the last vocab word for today, all right? Well, vocab words. When we solved equations, we had 2 solutions. Okay, when I was solving equations over the last few months, what was the first thing that I always had to make sure when I solved an equation? X equals 0? One side equals 0, right? So I couldn't solve an equation unless it looked something like this. Right?
Yeah.
Now, if I'm graphing, it looks something like this. So here's the point. If I'm solving an equation, I'm looking for when the y is 0, right? Which of my key features is when the y is 0? The x-intercepts, okay? The x-intercepts are my solutions. Hey, do you guys remember when we talked a lot about how because it's an x squared, it always has 2 solutions? And then it always has 2 x-intercepts? Right? Okay, there's 2 other words for it. Zeros, because it's when the graph equals 0. And roots. Not like square root. It's just another vocab word for zeros sometimes you see. Okay? We solve the equation to find the x-intercepts. There's 4 ways that we can do that. Factoring. Completing the square. Taking square roots, and quadratic formula, which we'll start using on Thursday. So the whole point of all that stuff we've been doing is so that we can find x-intercepts, okay? The whole point of what we've been doing is that so that we can find x-intercepts. Make sense? Okay, so that one that we skipped here, zeros, it's just the same as the x-intercepts. Zeros are the same as the x-intercepts. Hey, I was going to do some calculator